calculate the difference in the molecular formulae and the molecular masses for. Now here students, we have got two molecules. One is C4H9OH and another one is C3H7OH. So from both the things we can say that these molecules belong to the similar homologous series. Why? Because they both have got what group? Hydroxyl group. Now we know that the difference between the two homologues is of how much? CH2. Right? So what is the difference in their molecular formulae? The molecular formula difference is CH2. Okay? And what is the difference in the molecular masses? So you don't need to calculate the molecular mass of C4H9OH separately and C3H7OH and then subtract them. Actually, there is no need of it. We know that the difference in the molecular formula is of CH2. So what will be the difference in their molecular weights? It would be 14 only. Okay? So don't waste your time summing up the masses of carbon, multiplying of hydrogen, of oxygen, and again hydrogen, and then subtracting. Just use some logic here. Say if I'm saying that calculate another such sort of question, if I'm saying that calculate the difference in the molecular masses of C5H11OH and C9H17OH. Then here students, you can see that these also belong to the same homologous series. You first try to find out the difference in their molecular formulae. What is the difference between them? How many carbon atoms are more? The difference is C4. And how many hydrogen atoms? It is, isn't it the difference C4, C5? There is C6, 7, 8. 3 carbon atoms. There is the difference of, this is the 5th member of the homologous series and this is the 9th member of the homologous series. So between them, how many more CH2 would be there? If I'll add one CH2 to C5H11, it will be C6. Another CH2 to C6, it will become C7. Another CH2 to C7, it will become C8. Okay, and another CH2, so it will become what? It will become C9. Right? So what will be the difference in their molecular masses? It would become, how many hydrogens are there? So students, what is the difference between these? How many CH2s are there between them? 4. Now this formula should be C4 C9H17OH. Okay, so it should be H19OH. How? That is C9H9 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 1. Right? And OH. So what it should become? 9 multiplied by 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20 minus 1 is 19. So formula should be C9H19OH. My mistake. So how many CH2s are different here, students? There are 4 CH2s. Okay? So what should be the difference in their atomic weights or molecular masses? Sorry. 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. How much it should be? 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 should be 16, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the difference between the molecular masses of C5H11OH and C9H19OH? It is of 56, right? So here I just gave you this example because you don't need to sum up the masses of the atoms and then subtract.